Yo, 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 yo. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, party people? Oh, shit. That's my alarm. Party people. What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, so, really quick. I am actually already in a trade. I put it in there last night. Put a limit order. So I'll show you guys that in a second, but here's my dashboard. I made a little bit the other day too, I think Monday. So I'm already almost at break even now. So woo! Here's my Blue Guardian dashboard. Thank you again, Blue Guardian Trading Nut, for this opportunity. Here's the Guardian Protector. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on really fast. It helps prevent me from over trading. If I lose 250, which is 1% of my account, it's just going to automatically block me from continuing to trade. Right? What's up, histopathologist? What's going on, my man? Today, I'm actually already in a trade. I'll show you really fast what's going on with it. And then I need to play my little thing. Alright, so I'm already in this trade. I placed this trade last night as a buy limit. And I also have a little some extra for you guys to teach you guys some things. Okay, so this is my trade from last night. Okay, these stops are wrong. I moved my stops to below this low here. And I'm actually in, where am I in at? Oh, that's right. This is the right entry. 2335. So I'm in here. I placed this trade based on this gap right here. Not necessarily like a, I guess you could say a FVG, I guess. But, oh, hold on a second. Let me just watch this trade. I'm gonna go ahead and close some of this one because I'm literally up 80 pips right now for that one. And this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and close that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and go break even for this. Actually, I'm gonna move my stops up instead, because it could come back down to this level right here, 2330, and that could be an area for another entry. But I'm literally up. I'm literally up 80 fucking pips. 80 fucking pips. What a great way to start the day. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I assumed that you were a male. I'm sorry. My bad. But yeah, so this 4-hour candle also closed like this, so I am still expecting us to push up some more. So we also have Jolt's news today. Jolt's jobs, some news today. I'm only gonna stay like maybe 10:30. I'm tired, and I literally already kind of got my win for the day. But anyway, let's see if we can get another entry or yeah, another position for this. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna add another. Well, while it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do this for you guys, because the 4-hour just opened up, so give it some time to kind of do his thing. And I'm going to play this. 3, 2, 1.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Alrighty then. So, honestly, if you want to, I mean, stops would be pretty big, but that's pretty big stop. So you should probably wait. But yeah, you could probably get in around here. 330, stops below here. Oh, probably get in around here at 2330. Stops below there. First TP around here, 2343. That's where my TP is. And then be targeting here, this area, because none of this high hasn't been taken out. This one right here. So yeah, you could probably get in now if you want to, but your stops would be pretty big. I would wait until this comes down here. That's just me, but it might not come back down there yet. That's the only thing. But right now, you could probably actually get in right now. I'm actually going to go ahead and take one more position based off of this 30-minute. Yeah. Ugh. I might take one more position. I might just leave mine. But you guys can take that if you want to. Yes, a buy. Right here, this level right here, take a position like right here, because this, all right, hold on, let me do this. All right, so this right here, yeah, you should probably get into a buy now. I'll get into a buy with you guys. How about that? So you feel a little bit more confident about it. But I'm only going to do a small position, only a 0.05. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into one right here. I just got into a position. Got into this position based off of this 30-minute candle. Closing above this resistance, and then it came back to retest it right here. So that is why we get into this. This is going to be a momentum trade. We have volume coming in the next 25 minutes, and with volume we should push up. So here 2343, and if it doesn't, then yeah, we'll probably wait till it comes back down to this level 2330. But yeah, so I took a small position. TP would be 2343. I mean, pretty big stops. I mean, pretty big TP. This is typically a momentum trade, like based off of it closing above resistance. So yeah, that's a big stop. It's a 1-to-1. So while that plays out, I actually don't like the fact that this 5 minute closed as such. But we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Well, right at the top of this resistance, which isn't the best position, but that's okay. This doesn't always play out, but this is called a momentum trade. It closed above this 30-minute close above this resistance. It came back to retest, so now we should see it pushing back up. That's my strategy. That's my plan, so I'm going to stick with it. And I left this for you guys so I could show you some education. So over here, I'm just going to leave that trade running. Over here, we had a, go to the 1 hour. Actually, let me go to the 15. All right, so we have a pretty big impulsive move down. This might be like, I think this might be news or something. Not really sure, maybe. But so we had this impulsive move down. And usually in the market, when impulsive moves happen like that, we need some type of correction, right? So first we have the first impulsive move down, first leg down. And now we have here, we are creating some structure in the market. Got some lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. That's indication of, all right, we're going to start pushing back up now. It's also inverted head and shoulders. We have structure created, and then this is the correction. We corrected this impulsive move up. We corrected this entire impulsive move right here. If you look to the right, we corrected it. We may not have broken this entire high, but we came all the way up to this demand zone that the impulsive move left behind for us. So how's our trade doing? It's doing good. Okay, so I got into this trade. Actually, didn't hold this whole thing. That's like my biggest weakness is holding. I got to work on that, which is I think a big thing for a lot of traders. But yeah, so anyway, I got into this trade right here because when we closed past here, it just continued down. It never came back up. So this was an indication for me of, all right, we're going to be correcting this impulsive move. Same thing happened over here. All right. Impulsive move down from here, just dropped, just kept going down. Now this one didn't fully correct this impulsive move, but we fully corrected it over here. See, we had an impulsive move that was correcting this one, and then and then this area had another impulsive move down instead. So we had a correction, and then we had an impulsive move. And again, we have some structure created. Lower low, higher high, higher low. Same thing over here. See, look, same pattern. Same exact pattern. And that's kind of what you have to look for in the market. These patterns that they're giving you. I mean, it's literally right there in your face. It's right there. You just have to see it. Just have to see it happening. and then be patient enough to let your fucking trades play out. But I'm still working on that myself. So let's look at our trade. What is going on? I still believe we're going to be pushing up, but we just might come down here to tap 2330. Let's look at the daily. Really though, like the daily target would be this high, and like literally when we pass above this daily high, 2364, we will more than likely be coming up to 2371, and then all the way back up to 2405 to correct this impulsive move down. Fourth day of the month, only 2 days into trading the new monthly candle, so we got to be a little cautious. But what I'm assuming is that this monthly candle is going to come up here to fill this wick, maybe not all the way, but a little bit to grab some liquidity so we can start pushing down. So that's what I'm expecting for this month to do, is to come up, grab some liquidity for us to start pushing back down. Yes, it is a break of structure. Good job. That is correct. That is correct. Alright, let's see how our trade plays out for the day. So this is going to be our first TP, 2343. Second TP, I really would love for it to come all the way up here, 2352. That would be very amazing. A lot of pips. So it's not always the best thing. Yo, Troy, my boy. Let's get it, bro. Hey, I'm happy to see you guys back on the live. Oh, God. All right. And my hair is like sleep hair. Oh, I don't even have any fucking music on. Boring. Dance pop. What the fuck is that? Yo, they have a song on here called. It's called "Feeding the Ducks." Like, what the fuck is that? All right, let's play it. What's that sound like? Feeding the ducks, you say? That's what you play when you feed ducks? What the fuck is that called, feeding the ducks? Why not feeding the cows? Why not feeding the horses? You've been telling your trading group about me? Bro, too much pressure, bro. Too much pressure. But yo, that's what's up. I appreciate that. That really helps me, you know, as a trader, because that's kind of what I want to do at the end of the day, is like be able to provide knowledge and help everybody succeed. Because there's some traders out here that are shady as hell, man. That are mad shady, that don't want people to help. I mean, don't want to help people, but they want to show off. Like, bro, don't forget where you started. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget where you started. Stay humble. Because I'm pretty sure those fucking traders are gonna get humbled one day, and they're gonna lose a big size amount of their account. so look at our trade, y'all. Wait, where's my entry on the second position? 2335. 2335. But my first position was 2329. That's a fucking sexy position, man. It's a fucking sexy ass position. I might break even now. You know, guys, I was down like a little over 1% last week. Now look at me. Now look at me. Go off. Go off. Okay. Stops. 2331. Move the stops to 2331. Whoa! Alright, let me not celebrate too early. Stop, you gonna make me cry. Salaman, we had the same trade? That's what's up, bro. Good shit. I'm glad we got the same trade, because it's a good ass trade. I already know it's a good ass trade because we dumped for London. So now we need a correction for London. So we could take out London highs if we wanted to. I'm only trading gold today. I'm tired. I'm tired. I've been working for like 8 days straight. 8 days straight. Actually, today is 9 days straight. I don't know why I did that to myself. I can really trade, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. But yeah, honestly, it wouldn't be. I wouldn't even be here without Blue Guardian, the Blue Guardian prop firm, and Trading Nut, Cam Hawkins. Thank you so much for the opportunity to just kind of show myself. And my friend is actually the one that showed me the competition that he was having. So I wouldn't even be here without her either. So thank you, Jenna. I've been trying to get her on the live, but she's been busy. But I'm gonna give her a shout out right now. Thank you, Jenna. I appreciate you so much. Yeah, there's a lot of bullshit ass traders out here, bro. I ain't even going flex. Like, they're good at trading, but they're cocky and they're assholes because those are the people that allow money to change them, you know, turn them into a fucking asshole. So I need gold to like push up. Just gonna go break even on my highest position because now we really shouldn't come back down. We really shouldn't come back down. If it takes me out, it takes me out. That one took me out. So now I'm just gonna have a buy stop. Buy stop above 2337. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close. Because like I said, we got news at 10 o'clock, so we gotta be a little cautious here. Manage your risk. Because news could just drop and then go up or go up and then drop. Just like that. Just like that. So I'm being a little cautious on that one position. Already, like I said, I have my position at the low here. I took this trade yesterday or last night, so you guys can hold that position. It's probably a good position. I just, for me, I want to manage my risk. But we're already creating some structure here. We are already creating some structure. Oh, look at that. Oh! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm trying to change lives. I gotta change my life too, man. That's the fucking goal. Make some bread for my family, you know, pay these bills off. I'm sitting at like 50K in student loan debts. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. Fucking America. America. It's like 80% of Americans are sitting in student loan debt. But this is a very good trade. Probably should have just held it, but it's alright. I don't really care because I got this position. I already closed like more than half of it because I was sitting at 80 pips. Now I'm sitting at whatever that is. But yeah, good trade, good trade. Is the music too loud? Can I turn it up some? I don't really know. I can't hear it on y'all's side. What's your TP, Solomon? Are you still here? What's your TP, bro? Since we took the same trade. You should be up if you're still in this trade. 23.35. You should literally be up a nice 25 pips. After 25 pips, go break even. Close some profits and go break even. Bro, we are on a winning streak. We are on a winning streak. My losses, I know my account size is like at break even, but I took a big loss off of stream, so, and I got pretty pissed off at myself, but this is what we are sitting at, guys. Actually, I think I got one break even here. Yeah, I forgot to update that the other day. But This is what we are sitting at. 7 wins, 2 losses, 2 break-evens. Alright. I think it was all wins last week. Maybe 1 break-even. So oh, what did I make that circle for? Oh, I meant to delete it. But no, this circle was because show you. So we have this 30-minute resistance, right? I have a 30-minute resistance right here. You know what? Let me do this. What the fuck? I can't replay? I gotta buy it again? Okay, whatever. So I was trying to replay it, but apparently I don't have premium anymore. I keep forgetting that I don't have premium no more. Anyway, alright, so this 30-minute level, we have a support and then we have a resistance. Okay, we have a support and then we have a resistance. So we created a little resistance level. This handle in particular closed past this level of resistance, right? So when we came back to retest, this wick came back to retest, pretty much this level of resistance. It never broke this previous low, so this is an entry. So you come back, it starts wicking, tests below here, and then enter here off this retest level, or you can enter like, a little bit lower on this wick, but put stops, oops, right below this wick, because if it breaks that, it shouldn't break this previous low, right? It shouldn't break the previous low, and then just target here. That is called a momentum trade. A lot of this trading from Raja Banks. I fucking love Raja Banks. I love Raja. Raja, if you hear me one day, hope I can meet you one day, man. You're amazing. You're an amazing trader. Raja also talking shit about Donvo. I don't want to be a drama right now, but I'm not gonna say anything further. I'm not gonna say anything further. There's drama in the trading world. There is drama in the trading world. Ops. Because, like I said, we got fucking news. I might just close. I think I'm gonna close my position. Stupid ass computer would fucking load. Close this off and then get in again. But we got news, baby. Lagging. My computer's lagging. Bro, I already closed this. Raja Banks. He is a great trader. You can look him up. He trades gold mostly, and GJ. But he had posted something on his Instagram story the other day because there's another trader named Don Vo that trades gold and has been learning a lot from Raja Banks. Daddy Raja Banks. Raja Banks calls Don Vo the rat. He is the rat. But not Raja Banks is he's very big in the trading world and very successful. Very successful. Bro flipped like $1,000 account or something like that into 100,000 within like, I don't know, less than a month or something like that. But I don't really know too much. I just know they got beef. I know they got beef. Move being corrected. All right, let's wait for news. Now that we're pushing down, we might be rejecting this upside a bit. We might be rejecting the upside a bit, or we're coming down to where I wanted to initially come down to, which is 2330. Stick beef. Nah, there's a lot of beef when you come into trading and you start fucking people over because you want more money. Where's my feeding ducks? Money, money, money. Bring all this shit back. You missed this, Troy. I kind of went over this. I don't really want to go over it again, so if you want to just go back, scroll back to the live, like in the beginning, maybe like 15 minutes in or something. I explained this whole move, both of these positions, so yeah. Break even, Dr. Histopathologist. Like I said, we got news. This 1 hour candle broke this low and then closed bullish like that, but didn't. So it could be moving down some more. Me? You don't have to pay me, bro. Yet. I'm not up there yet. Eventually I'll be up there. But I don't even know if I'll be charging people. Like, I don't want to be one of those traders. Be like, for signals I charge, but for education, I don't want to charge for education, bro. We already being charged in these goddamn American public, not public schools, but these goddamn American universities and shit. Nah, you're good, man. I don't want to pay for the education, so I shouldn't make you guys pay for the education. Where do you? Oh, you said you live in Philly. I was gonna say let's link. That's not gonna happen. That's not happening. But we could just you can like FaceTime and shit or Zoom call and see the thing is I have the education, but what I don't have is the patience. Because a lot of the time my trades really fucking play out, but sometimes they take hours. Like for the big moves. Big moves, they take hours. 3:30. Oh, we're back at this level. Should I go in? Nah. Because we got 10 minutes till this bitch closes. 20 minutes till this bitch closes. Yeah, we could schedule some time, Troy, so to like video chat or whatever, and I can help you. From 2363 to 2315. That is a huge range. Huge. Fake news. "30 minutes after news and I'm gone, guys. I'll give you some deets on what might happen for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna be gone. I'm already up. Keep it that way. Did you trade any NAS today? What's an NAS doing? Let's check it out. NAS ain't doing shit. Not shit at all. NAS is just consolidating. But NAS is also creating. Let's see, this is what NAS is creating, guys. See these lows? Lower, higher low, higher low, higher low. What does that tell us? What does that tell us? Are we going up or are we going down? Up or down? Up or down? Typically what that means. So we could target this high, 18708 for NAS. See what happens, because I don't really want to trade NAS today. Below this low. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh. There we go. I'm glad I took out my position and went break even and closed profits. I was up 80 pips, so like if I didn't close some of that and then, you know, That's just me being a greedy motherfucker. Let's look at jolts. So they are expecting we could actually come out positive because these numbers are lower than I'm about to say last year, last month. To base it off of that, yeah, we could come out positive and then gold just drops, continues dropping. Or it could come out really bad and then we just push up. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Hey guys, yeah, donations are accepted. Charity. I have 50K in student loan debts, but I'm gonna make it out. I'm gonna make it out alive with trading. Pass this prop firm challenge, pay off my fucking debt, and be financially free. I mean, that's the goal for every trader. But I don't want to sit here and be like, oh, I'm gonna get rich tomorrow. No, trading is long term. And that was my thought process in the beginning of trading. Like, oh, I'm gonna get rich in like 2 months. Yada yada. No, it's gonna take some time. I mean, for some people, yes, but some people just get lucky, man. Some people just get really lucky. So yeah, donations are accepted. Cash App tag is Kayden's tag, literally just Kayden's tag, KAYDENSTHE. Very generic. Thank you guys for the donations. Just kidding. Please don't send me anything. I will send it right back. Unless you send me like $10,000, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna run with this. I'm gonna go. Cold. What the hell? So we got 15 minutes till news. We're gonna start consolidating a bit here until news happens. Consolidation for the next 15 minutes. So let's get the fight. Yeah, rejected. See, these momentum trades, they work out, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're gonna come all the way up here. You can catch this momentum trade off of a small price movement. That was easy 30 pips or 25 pips, something like that. 25 pips. Trading is definitely a lifestyle. I would love for it to be full-time for me, to be honest. Only trading 1.5, 2 hours a day. That's it. I used to be on like all hours of the day, and obviously I did wrong. Aw. Duck sauce music in the background. Duck sauce. It's called feeding the ducks. Here's the feeding the ducks. We feeding the ducks again. Nah, bro. I need to though. I need to. I get skeptical because this isn't my live, so I'm like, I mean it's my live, but it's not my channel. I don't wanna make him mad or whatever. But if it was my channel, I'd definitely be rolling up and smoking on this bitch. Like, no doubt. No doubt. I've seen people do it on their lives, so I know they can. I know it's like okay to do. It's not like we don't get banned or anything from YouTube. So I just want to remain a little respectful of the man's. But you know what? I'm gonna ask him. I'll be like, bro, can I smoke weed on your live? Damn, go pushing, pushing. So these are London lows right here. Look, bro. Yo. Ah, nice. I'll make some coffee while we wait 9 more minutes for news. Oh, let me see. All right, yeah, I'll be right back. I need to learn how to tell what market will do depending on Asian and London session, like how you got highs and lows from each session. Um, the best way to really do that is literally just to back test, bro. Literally just back test. If I can, all right, I need to buy a fucking plant because this shit's pissing me off. But yeah, there's actually this ICT video that I watched where it's actually really helpful. I stopped doing it. I don't know why I stopped doing it, but let me go back. You know what? I'll do it at the end of the day. I'll show you at the end of the day. After news. But yeah, typically it's based on like yesterday's high and low too. Man, I wish I could show you guys. See, it's literally just fucking ranging, man. And this daily range. We're in a range. But yeah, I'll show you Troy. Don't worry, my bro. We're back. Woohoo! Oh yeah, let's see what Nat's doing. I think there's a way to like show the session breaks. I used to be able to do it really easily on MT5, but man, I miss MT5, bro. I miss MT5 so much. But we gotta adapt to the markets. Five minutes. See something. This is new. It's new. They have sessions on it's sessions indicator on TradingView now. Nice. Nice. So New York is yellow. I go into sales. Oh no, I'm not going into sales because we got 3 minutes before fucking news. If it plays out, it just plays out. I mean, I already missed the sales. I should have got in up there. I'm not gonna stay here and force it. But this, if there wasn't news playing out, I would have jumped into sales at the break of this low. This would have been my position, and then just target like a 2-to-1. Would have been the position. Yeah, at the break of that low. Stops above this high. If news didn't play out. I mean, what could happen is that we come back up here and then we drop again. But I'm just gonna wait because of news. Weird. My coffee like spilled out. Yes, gold is waiting. You paid $1,000 for something? Bro, for an indicator? Oh, hell no. I will never pay $1,000 for an indicator. You don't even really need indicators to trade. You really don't. Like, all you need is price action. I don't really use indicators myself. I just use levels, support resistance, you know? What did news come out as? Look at that push up. Let's see, what the news say? Come on, it's still pending. Like, hurry the fuck up. Yeah, see, this is why I didn't get into that trade, because there's news. It's still, oh wow, it's bad. Wow, that's bad. That's not good. Those are really bad numbers. So we're gonna push up. That's what it did. But now we gotta figure out whether or not, it's just that this has no top width. So see happen is, I'm gonna jump into sells and just target this low. I don't really like this day. It's a really choppy day. I don't want to force a trade. Choppy day. What a choppy day, man. We're gonna break out of the structure today. I think we're just gonna bounce around. We just might be bouncing around today. Let's see what you DM'd me, bro. You didn't DM me yet. Oh, maybe it's on the other account. Very happy with myself for slowly getting back to break even. I was down 1%. Now I can start upping my size a little bit more, just a little bit. This is a ugly trade. Still in a range. Today, guys. Well, for the time that I'm going to be trading, I already got 25 pips this morning for whoever. And then I got myself a nice 80 pips from last night. It was only a 0.11 lot. I don't need it anymore, and it's in the fucking way. Yeah, man, check it out. Blue Guardian's not bad. I like it. I like it. Coming from the funded trader is fucking shut down right now. They're trying to come back, but don't bring them back. Fuck you, TFT. You guys took $750 from me, and then you didn't give me my money back. You didn't even give me my money back. And then you tried to give me a coupon to buy another account instead of giving me my money back, or just giving me a whole new account. I was funded. I was literally funded 100K, and then boom. Like, within the same week, they got shut down. So pissed, man. I was pissed off. I tried to get my money back. I tried to dispute the transaction, but it just wasn't playing out. It wasn't working out. So that was literally my chance. That was my first time being funded 100K. In the past, I've been funded like 25K accounts. So that was my first 100K. And sadly, all of my funded accounts were with TFT. So now I have to start all over again. Thank you, TFT, you little fuckers. Fuck you, Angelo. Yeah, man, I was pissed. And then I thought I had to switch to futures because I wasn't going to be able to trade Forex anymore. So I tried futures out. I don't really like futures. I like Forex way more. I was going to take this position here at 23.32 to come down and tap 23.25, which I guess would have been a really, really good position, but I didn't like the price action. Sometimes I take my entries based on higher time frame candle opens. Like this would have been a really good open because of the wick, and it didn't create a bottom wick yet. It just started off with a top wick. I just don't like it. It's really ugly price action, and I don't want to force myself into anything, even if it is a win. Today, if gold can break this low, 23.14, which is literally still about 100 pips away, then I would say, yeah, we're probably going to finish out this range all the way down to 23.07. However, it doesn't break this low, and it starts kind of ranging and consolidating a bit, then I'm going to assume that we still have more liquidity up here that's waiting to be grabbed from the top so that we can drop. From the top, make it drop. That's wet. But anyway. So news though, just to kind of explain what happened just now. So news, it came out negative. So this push up, that was news pretty much. So would have been smart to get in for these sells down here. But I think that's pretty much the move. We might even be targeting these equal lows right here at 23.14. So, you know, like I said, if it passes here, yeah, we'll probably be dropping. Have been instant like 50 pip move, but it's just so ugly. It's just so ugly. Giveaways? Not today, sir. Maybe in the future. But what you can do is use this coupon to use Blue Guardian Prop Firm. It's a little coupon that you can use. Also, Blackable markets, you get up to 100% deposit bonus up to $1,000. So you deposit $1,000, you get an extra $1,000 to use for leverage. And trade gold with Black Bull. It's regulated broker. He also has Apex coupon codes too. I think it's trading net as well. But I'm probably going to get off here in the next 15 minutes if I don't think we're going to be doing anything. Consolidate. But yeah. Oops. What the fuck? Both dropping? NAS and gold? That's weird. Yeah, let's check NAS. Let's check NAS. Actually, let me just delete all this shit. Alright, let's check NAS really quick. NAS is doing things, but I do believe NAS is going to be pushing up. I think NAS is going to be bullish for a little bit longer. Just in this range, not necessarily too much, but let's see what it's doing right now, though. Like I said, it created a higher low, right? So now we got a little trend line. So let's say that NAS breaks past this trend line on the 4-hour. Then we'll probably be going into sells. And what you could do is literally just target this low and put it above like the high, wherever it might be. It's not here yet. For right now, it's like right here. But it's like a 1-to-1. A little 1-to-1. But a really good overall target for NAS would be about right here. Then down here. So, but if it doesn't break this, which it might not, could just break this roof here. Right? So if it breaks above this roof, then all you really do is target these equal highs here. It stops below here. I don't really know where the low is going to be yet for buys, if it were to go into buys. But if I were to get into buys, it would be like, it'd be like below one of these lows or something. Now let's look at gold again. Man, I guess that would have been a really, really good entry right here. I just didn't like it. But that's okay. There'll be more positions tomorrow. Positions tomorrow. I actually have this signals group that I was in. They actually took the position that I was going to take. Sometimes I use it as a little confluence, but yeah, so NAS ain't really doing shit right now. You gotta wait. I can't really read it right now. It's a little difficult to read right now. You gotta wait for something like either to break above this level or to break past this trend line. It can either break past it and reject it and start going up, or it can just break past it. So there's like one of two things that could happen. False breakout below. It could also be a false breakout above. But seeing that we are creating some structure here, market structure, it could be bullish. So based off of how I see things, I'd probably be bullish for the day. Shit. Damn, look at gold. This was just a little liquidity grab, huh? Because we already rejected up here. So I'm going back to see how I could have been more confident about this situation. So news opened and well, okay, so the previous hour before, it tried to break above, broke this high, and then started rejecting, broke this low, so that should have been another confirmation to say, alright, gold is going to start dropping instead of pushing up. And then the news candle opened and we just started off going up first to make a top wick, just to push down, to grab some liquidity from up above. And why did it grab liquidity up there? Ah, okay. Why gold did what it did. So this would have been a really nice wick entry play. Literally almost got in like right here, literally at the top. And then I would have put stops right above here, targeting this low. That would have been a good trade. So now I know in the future, if that ever happens again, that's what I'm fucking doing. I mean, I already seen it before. I've seen it happen multiple times. We're concerned. I can't really tell you too much for NAS, man. It's not really doing shit. It's not really doing shit. But what I can say is never broke this high. So this candle could just be a liquidity grab. Or it's to push back up. So this is the weekly. Is NAS on the way to all-time highs again? Nah. Getting blocked. Shahid. Blocked and deleted. So you can kiss my ass, man. Get the fuck off this live. You are not welcome here. Yeah, NAS ain't doing much, bro. NAS really ain't doing much. But for NAS, this is usually what I do for NAS. Bro, come on. Two? That is so dumb. Alright, so this is usually what I do for NAS. So we got, this is New York session. So we had London highs right there. And then we got London lows about right here. So if I was looking at NAS earlier today, which I didn't trade NAS today, look how choppy it is, man. Not cool. But during London session, we were just wait a minute. That's not London. Okay. So I was like, that's not right. This is Asian session. So we were consolidating for most of Asian. And now this is London. Session highs and lows, kill zones. For NAS, I wait for it to either break London highs or lows, or if it wants to break London highs, I like to see if it could be a false breakout or if it's a true breakout. So we could get a trade based off of either or. False breakout, go into sells. If you're trying to false break out the highs, go into sells. Trying to false break out the lows, go into buys. You know, buy low, sell high. So that's really what I'll be waiting for NAS. It didn't really do much yet. And I use these Hakanashi candlesticks. What the fuck? Alright, let me I gotta buy this shit right now. I'll buy it after I get off of here. But what the fuck? I can't even fucking mark alerts? Wow, TradingView, you over here robbing people, bro. Stealing people's money. Probably a good idea, because it's all acting all weird. What do we got tomorrow? God, it just got really hot. Excuse me. What do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow is NFP. Yeah, that's why gold is moving all weird too. Look at that, we're at the lows that I said we're gonna go down to. Damn, that would have been a very nice, wow. It's like, wow. A big move that we missed. I should have just executed. Should have just executed. That's alright. We'll get him back. We'll get him back. Yeah. Tomorrow, what time is it? So NFP is at 8:15. I'm not even gonna be on at that time. So do what it wants. Here for gold. I don't think we're gonna break this low a day. This is the low a day, 23.14. I don't think we're gonna break it. I think we're gonna 327. But yeah, so 25 pips today for the stream. I woke up this morning. I woke up this morning. I was actually in drawdown, maybe like 15 pips, and then I just let it play out for about an hour, and then next thing you know, I was up 60 pips, and then I was up 80 pips. I closed most of my position, 75% of it or something like that, maybe 50%. And then I went break even. And then I saw it rejecting here, so I was like, I'm just gonna close because news is coming out soon. If US 30 is flying, NAS should be flying. And yeah, it is. I wouldn't say flying, but your NAS would push up. I told you, bro. I told you. Alright, let's see. Hold on. It's coming up to this London highs again. Right here. This volume is ass, though. Ducks, man, this shit fire. This is how we feed ducks. You didn't know. This is the feeding duck song. Why the hell is named Feeding Ducks? Yeah, don't fucking ask me. I didn't fucking name it. I don't know whose dumbass decided to name that Feeding Ducks. But alrighty, I'm about to get off here, guys. I'm still skeptical on NAS. I think NAS is either it'll probably break out eventually, or it'll just consolidate because we have NFP tomorrow. Gold has already pretty much made its move. Pretty ugly price action, so I'm not getting into any more trades. But yeah, so we got a nice win again today on the live. Another win. Let's see if we can keep up the streak. Hope you guys are safe today. And oh yeah, Troy, are you still here, my bro? NFP is Friday? Am I looking at the wrong thing? But I was looking at the wrong thing. My bad. You're right. NFP is Friday. NFP is Friday. Tomorrow we have ADP, non-farm employment change. So it's not as important as Friday's news, but tomorrow we'll still have a good amount of moves. We have ADP, NFP, ADP, NFP, ADP, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. Alrighty, bro, so I will do the session thing for you really quick before I go for gold. Oh, I don't need any of that. I can just make it again. Alrighty, so turn this off. So something I learned in ICT, I don't use ICT that much, but a little bit here and there. So what I have learned with ICT is that you take these vertical lines, and what you want to do is you want to go to each market open. So that's like 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. for me. Where the hell is it? Right here. 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. $15 minutes though. 15 minute, only on the 15. He's in here. Okay. So you mark up the session opens and closes, or not opens and closes. Just this. Oh my god, I can't fucking talk right now. I got code again. All right, so this is the market open. When the market opens, and when the market fucking closes. Wait a minute. Let me make sure that's correct, because I haven't done this in a minute. Opens at 6 p.m. And then the new day starts at 6 p.m. Okay. So what you want to do is mark up each day like that, right? So this would be Monday. This is Monday. This is Friday. This is Thursday, Wednesday, yada yada. So you want to mark up the highs and lows of each day. Righty. Bada boom, bada bing. Actually, gonna be this right. So I can. How do I? So I'm just gonna use the trend. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna mark these up. And then I'm gonna show you a little something. I'm gonna show you a little something. I need to do this more often again. I was doing it a lot before. So marking up each high and low of daily closures. This will be the last one. Alright. So you see how each day has its own high and low, right? You can see that pretty easily on the 15-minute. I mean, you can see it on anything, but ICT says to do it on 15 minutes. So I did it on 15 minutes. I don't really know why, but so let me go over here. So you see how this is what, Wednesday? So Thursday took out the previous daily low, but it never took out the high, right? So then that's kind of how you can see like direction for the day or the next day. And then Friday, this is Thursday, Friday took out this high, and then look where it went to. It went pretty close to the other day's high. It didn't take this one out either. So what does that tell you? We're going down. And it closed shooting star. And if you know your candlestick patterns and how they form, you know a shooting star is an indication for a trend reversal to start pushing down. So we didn't break that, but what did we do? We came down to this low, previous day's low, and we somewhat broke it, right? We closed past it, but then we started pushing back up a little bit. But then what happened the next day? We came down and broke the low completely. And then we came back up. So this is kind of how you can kind of see how this play out. You can literally just see things play out like that. Also, I have noticed, like, when you make your charts like this, you should really pay attention to big news days. So let me find a big news day that just recently happened. Maybe I can find CPI. CPI, okay, May 31st. So let's go to May 31st. So this is May 31st. So this is CPI. All right, this whole impulsive move down is CPI. So I've noticed when you mark up impulsive moves for news, there's going to be some type of correction for that impulsive news move. This is literally what I already showed you guys earlier today. So we corrected this move. We corrected this entire CPI move and came all the way up to this demand zone that it created. So you just kind of back test and play with that a bit. Just back test and just mark up shit like this. Just mark it up, look at it, see how it moves. You know, because trading is really visual. If you're a visual learner, you need more stuff like this. Not indicators. Don't use indicators. These are your indicators. These are natural indicators. Natural. Alright? Now we're here. Now that we got this made already, we're coming down to the previous day's low, right? Doesn't seem like we're breaking it yet. And we closed. So what we could do is take a buy to come all the way back up to here and have our stops below the previous daily low. But I'm not doing that because I'm done. So that's that. Bro, are you telling me this whole time I was talking and you didn't see anything that I was doing? I need to start paying attention to that shit more. I just pissed myself off. I gotta say it all over again. Do I have to say that shit all over again? Oh gosh, yeah I do. Well, I came to the 15-minute. I marked up each daily open and close. These are the daily opens and closes. This is Monday, Friday, today is Tuesday. So just kind of peek this. Very simple. I need to start doing this again. I think I'll do this every day. No, I'll probably leave this up. Every week I'll have this open like this to help with some education. Yeah, so Wednesdays highs and lows, Thursdays highs and lows, Fridays highs and lows, Mondays highs and lows. Pay attention to what each day does. Does it break the previous days of low? Does it break the previous day's high? Is it ranging in between? What is it doing, you know? What's the overall trend for the day? All right, so this move is CPI, and then Friday we corrected the CPI move. We corrected the CPI, or not Friday, Monday, yesterday, we corrected the impulsive CPI move down. I also left behind a supply zone. I think I said demand earlier. I meant to say supply zone. And look at where it came to. Tap the supply zone and then just started coming down. Tap the supply zone pretty late in the day. Pretty late in the day. That's that. I'm tired, so I'm gonna get off. Everybody be safe, wear protection. Okay. We don't need no new NAS babies or gold babies out here. So I'm gonna end the stream with what I usually end it with. Coupons on this countdown. Apex coupon at the end of the little video that I'm about to play if you are interested in doing Apex. I believe right now it's 90% off if you use the coupon. Up above right there, 10% off coupon for Trading Nut. And 3, 2, 1.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and overtrading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Alrighty, and we're back. So thank you guys again for being here with me. Tomorrow, let's get back at it. Let's make some more money tomorrow. Here's my dashboard and how I am ending for the day on my Blue Guardian dashboard. Thank you again for the sponsorship. Today's profits. Did I really only make that much? Oh yeah, I would have made more, but I closed. So yeah, and here's the Guardian Protector that little ad was just talking about. You turn it on. My computer's acting so slow. You turn it on. You put whatever percentage or amount that you want to lose. 1%, $250. Disable the trading until tomorrow if it gets hit. So you don't overtrade. For you overtraders, you won't lose your account that easily. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early.